Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Rates the Recipe. And today, guys, we are starting basically a little series, right? So I do a lot of baking, but I also be cooking food, and I wanted to rate recipes of actual like savory dishes, right? So I was all perusing and whatnot, and on BuzzFeed they have 45 one pot or one pan recipes. And so today is recipe number 1, and we're making butter chicken. I've never had it, but I'm excited to taste it, and so we're about to just jump right into it. We are using a cast iron skillet. I don't remember how big it is, but you know, big enough to get your... So the first thing we're gonna do is we have our cast iron. It's on medium high heat, and we're gonna come in with about a tablespoon of oil, and then we have 2 tablespoons of butter. Bam and bam. And let that melt down. And you want your pan hot, but not like screaming hot. You see what I'm saying? Okay, so now that our butter is fully melted, I'm gonna come in, and what I have here is 1 medium-sized onion, and I basically chopped that joker up in my what do you call it, my Ninja, because I hate cutting onions. Then we have a tablespoon of ginger, cut that up the same way. That's not ginger, that's garlic, y'all. And 2 tablespoons of ground ginger. And all of this I chopped up in my Ninja, because like I said, I can't be cutting up nothing by hand. I just don't have time or patience. And I tried to remember, right, the recipe, but if I'm wrong in what I'm saying, just look in the comments, not the comments, but look in the description box below, and I actually will type it out for you all so that you can follow along. I've never had butter chicken, but apparently this is a very common like thing that people be eating. One thing I have, like, I swear, a toddler's palate, chicken tenders, lasagna and such, right? And we're gonna cook these onions down to they're translucent, right? I'll be jumping from conversation to conversation. But part of what I want to do with the channel is I really do want to just, you know, try different foods, learn foods from different cultures. This is an butter chicken is like an Indian recipe, I believe. And I haven't eaten Indian food. That's not something I'd be doing. So I'm excited to try new things and just see where that takes me. Ain't that how the YouTube people be talking? So the onions are cooking down pretty nice. They're getting translucent. And once that's done, then I'm going to toss our chicken in. And then I'm going to season the chicken with just salt and pepper at the beginning. And then once that's done, we're going to start tossing in the rest of our ingredients. But supposedly, this is basically a 20-minute meal. And ahead of time, I made some basmati rice. This rice is so good, okay? I cooked it. It's 2 cups of the rice with 3.5 cups of water. And I put a tablespoon of butter also in there. That rice is delicious. Like, it has flavor, all of it on its own. I didn't even salt the water. Okay, so now that looks pretty good to me. And I'm going to come in with the chicken, which the recipe calls for the chicken to be cut into like 3/4 I guess 1 inch or cube slices. And this is 4 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless. So now we have all our chicken in, and I'm going to season that with a little salt. Excuse me, I'm reaching. And some coarse salt there, and some pepper. And be generous with your season because you want it to taste good. So we're going to cook the chicken and then start adding the rest of our seasonings. Okay, so I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then I have a slurry of spices basically. So this is fenugreek, garam masala, cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika. And the measurements, of course, will be in the description box below. And we're just gonna kind of start tossing all of this around with our chicken, onions. Ooh, the color. Y'all, this smells so good. I'm really excited to taste it. So we've been cooking the chicken for about, I don't know, 7 minutes or so. And we're adding in those other spices. I really need a spoon, not these tongs. Let me switch over to a spoon. And now we got a cup of heavy whipping cream, or heavy cream rather. We're gonna pour that in. And then we're gonna let this simmer for about 15 or 20 minutes and come back when it's done. Let me stir it up and let y'all see kind of what the pregame is looking like. This is gonna be good, I can tell. I can't believe I never had this before. I was looking around after I found the BuzzFeed list. I was looking around on YouTube and lots of people have made this, and I don't know why I've never tasted it. I knew it was a thing. I don't know. You have to expand your horizons. So we're gonna let all of this cook down and come back, and I'll plate it up and we'll start taking. Hey guys, like, very excited. This looks super good. It smells really good. And so, okay, so I just plated it. I put the chicken over the rice, right? And I just put some mint leaves because I feel like that go together. I don't really know, but you know, it's just for garnish. I'm not gonna be chewing on no mint leaves like no rabbit. And then I bought some naan bread, and I just put it in a skillet with a little bit of butter so it can, you know, heat up and, you know, get ready. So let's taste it. Let's taste it. Excited. Okay. Boom. Here we are. Here we are. Why that mint leaf trying to get in my mouth right now? I saw it get in there. Okay. I'm out here. You feel me? Yes. Okay. This good. This real good. Okay. I'm ready. Y'all here for the rating, right? That's what the people came to see. I said, is that what the people came to see? We got a 5 right here, okay? The chicken, banging. Rice, banging. Naan, banging. It's banging. It's banging. It's banging. It's banging. It's banging. And this was easy too. You feel me? So I give this a 5 out of 5 for the taste, a 5 out of 5 for the effort. It was worth all 20 of the minutes. Worth all 20 of the minutes. My nephew, he want to act up, but that's okay. Don't worry about the money, player. That's my baby. That's my nephew. That's my who is that? Jeremy, my brother-in-law. This is a family, y'all. This is good. This is good. Y'all need to make this. Make this, okay? And also, if there's something you have that you would like Samantha to rate, put it in the comments below. I would love to rate your recipe. You hear me? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, do all the things. Let's get the channel growing. I want to see the channel growing. I'll catch y'all next time.